Hi, this is Dr. T. Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, CTT College for Women. In this video, we are going to discuss about optical spectra of an atom. So when we speak about optical spectra of an atom, the first thing we have to see is selection rules. So when a transition of an electron between any two levels is possible only if certain conditions are satisfied. When an electron jumps from a higher state to a lower state, it has to satisfy certain condition called selection rules. So the first selection rule is for L, capital L, which is nothing but orbital angular momentum quantum number of an atom. So when del L is equal to plus or minus 1, which means that a small change in L, that is angular momentum, orbital angular momentum of an atom, is equal to either it should be plus 1 or it should be minus 1. And the next selection rule is for S. S is your spin angular momentum quantum number of an atom. So del L, del S, that is change in del S should be equal to 0. The next selection rule is for J, capital J. So del J should be either 0 or plus 1 or minus 1. It can take either 0, plus 1 or minus 1. Three values it can take. So when an electron jumps from a higher state to lower state, it has to satisfy all the three selection rules. Then only there will be a transition. So let us discuss this in deep by taking an example of sodium D line. So sodium has 11 electrons, right? Out of this, 10 electrons are in a closed shell. So they will not give rise to transition. The 11th electron, which is present in the outermost orbit, gives rise to transition of electron from higher to lower state. So sodium D line comes under the category of principal series, which means a transition takes place from P state to S state. So we have the higher level, which is 2p 3 by 2, and next level is 2p 1 by 2. So these two are higher levels. Then we have the lower level, which is 2s 1 by 2. So the transition takes place between your P state to S state. So let's see what are the values of L and J. So 2p 3 by 2 has capital L as 1 and J as 3 by 2. And 2p 1 by 2 state has L, capital L as 1 and J as 1 by 2. The lower state 2s 1 by 2 has 0 and 1 by 2. So now the selection rules which we have already seen, we have to check whether a transition is possible. So coming to the first thing is 2p 1 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2. Yes, that is a possible transition because the difference in L is 1 and your J is 0. The next transition is between 2p 3 by 2 and 2s 1 by 2. So the difference is again for L it is 1 and 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is nothing but equal to 1 for your J. So both transitions are possible. 2p 1 by 2, 2s 1 by 2 and 2p 3 by 2 level to 2s 1 by 2 level is possible. So these two lines we call them as D1 and D2 lines. And D1 has a wavelength of 5890 Armstrong and D2 line, which is from 2p 3 by 2 to 2s 1 by 2, is called D2, which has a wavelength of 5896 Armstrong. So this is how we come to a conclusion that when an electron jumps from a higher state to lower state, it has to satisfy the rules which is known as selection rules. Next we go for intensity rule. So what is the use of intensity rule is, once a transition is allowed, we are going to check whether the transition is going to be weak or strong. So we have two quantum numbers we are taking. One is del L, which should be minus 1, and del J should be minus 1. When both are minus 1, we call that transition as strongest. And when del L is equal to minus 1 and del J is equal to 0, we call the transition as less intense. When del L is equal to plus 1 and del J is equal to plus 1, then when both are plus 1, the transition is weak. When del L is equal to plus 1 and del J is equal to 0, then the transition is very weak. And when del L is equal to minus 1 and del J is equal to plus 1, we are the other way. When del L is equal to plus 1 and del J is equal to minus 1, then both these two transitions, then we call them as forbidden. This is how we come to a conclusion that whether an electron can jump from a higher state to lower state, and if it jumps, then what will be the intensity of the transition that takes place from higher state to lower state. Thank you.